Whoa, 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 stop shaking it around and put it on a tripod. What do you mean you don't have a tripod? Let me introduce you to the Beastgrip phone grip, a grip that allows you to put your phone into a tripod. So let's get straight into it. So as we can see, it's called the Beastgrip, the smartphone lens and camera rig system. It says that it has a wide angle micro lens or macro lens compatible with all phones. Let's see if that's true. It says on the side of the box, take your phonography to the next level. Hashtag Beastgrip, hashtag Beastgrip Nation. From the back of the box, it gives you a bunch of specs and stats that we can clearly see, compatible with all phones. There's all their socials. It says it has a standard cold shoe mount for attaching LED lights, microphones, and other accessories. Ergonomic handles for better grip and more control. Standard 37mm threaded lens filter mount is compatible with a wide variety of conversion lenses, filters, and DOF adapters. 5 standard 1/4 to 20-inch threaded mount for attaching photo and video support gear such as tripods and the like. Universal adjuster, works with virtually any camera phone in the market. Sure, let's test that. Modular design with removable lens mount, accessible with and handle, can be used as a simple tripod mount or a full feature camera rig. It says it's versatile. It seems very, very good. Let's first take off the box cover. If we can figure out how to, hold up. We gotta cut this part. There we go. Dang, that's got a strong grip. As you can see, it says Beastgrip. Let's go ahead and open it up. A box inside of a box. As you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but that says Beastgrip. Just a nice little graphic design right there. As we go straight into the box, we have a little box. Let's see what's inside of it. This looks like the cables. This is actually, no, this is some tools. I'm guessing to maybe assemble it or apply accessories. This box also has some more stuff in it, more screws, nuts, and the like. Then we go straight into the main guy. This looks like a little travel pouch. There's something actually in it. Let's check what's inside. A little lens cover, it looks like, which is nice that they include that. Let's put that to the side, save that for later. And then we go straight into the Beastgrip itself. It is a pretty hefty little trinket, little accessory, but it looks sturdy, and feels like it will not fall apart, which is what I like. You can see that the adjustable frame right here allows you to put most phone designs in it. It also has a few screws, it looks like, which allows you to adjust its width or length. Yeah, it goes in and out, which is nice, which is really nice. You also have the lens, which is said that this was a 37mm lens, if I remember correctly, which is really nice. It's also adjustable. You can screw it off and probably apply other lenses to it. I'm going to keep that on for now, though. Yeah, it is really nice. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay. Let's go ahead and see if we can put our phone inside. Oh, that's not my phone, that's my case. This is my cell phone. Okay. Let's see if we can put let me put the lens cover on, because I do not want to scratch up the lens while I go ahead and try to put this in. So it seems we can adjust its length to match my phone. Let's put the camera over there, and then let's stretch it, and then it goes straight in, which is nice. We do have to adjust it to where we can actually see our camera. So let me actually screw these, because that is the correct length that I want. Now I just need to change the height of the lens itself. And let's open up my camera and see what there is. It looks like it's pitch black because I got to take the lens cover off. That'd be smart. There we go. Nice and beautiful. Makes all your shots, your amateur shots, look semi-professional, which is a very nice touch. It's super cheap, super affordable, and super easy to use. Thank you for watching this video on the Beastgrip camera rig system. You can easily mount it to a tripod, and you can easily pick one up today. Thank you.